Lucas story time. Milo and the mysterious hiccups. Milo, the fluffy Maltese puppy, loved discovering new things. Every morning, he went on a little sniffing adventure, exploring all the new smells in the garden. One particular morning, as he sniffed a cluster of bright pink daisies, he suddenly felt a strange jolt in his tummy. Heck! Milo jumped. What was that? He looked around, but the garden was peaceful. The flowers swayed gently. A butterfly flapped lazily past. He sniffed the daisy again. Heck! His ears flopped forward, and his little paws lifted off the ground for a second. Milo gasped. Am I broken? Panicked, he bolted across the garden, searching for someone who could help. He spotted Penny the sparrow, perched on the fence. Penny! Help! Something weird is happening. I keep making strange noises. Penny tilted her head. Strange noises? Milo nodded frantically. Yes. I was sniffing flowers, and suddenly heck! Penny chuckled. Oh, Milo, that's just the hiccups. Hiccups? Milo blinked. Are they dangerous? Do I need a vet? Penny fluffed her feathers. No. Hiccups happen sometimes. But don't worry, I know how to get rid of them. Excited, Milo sat down and listened as Penny suggested different hiccup cures. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. Milo held his breath. But after 5 seconds, try standing on one paw. Milo wobbled, then fell into a patch of daisies. Spin in a circle 3 times. Milo twirled, getting dizzier and dizzier. Nothing worked. Milo flopped onto the grass. Penny, what if I hiccup forever? Penny laughed. Don't worry, Milo. Hiccups always go away. Eventually. Just then, a breeze rustled the trees, and a tiny feather floated down, landing right on Milo's nose. He sniffled, twitched his nose, and then, achoo! The feather flew into the air, and Milo sat up, blinking. Silence. He waited. No hiccups. Milo gasped. The sneeze cured me. Penny chirped. See? Sometimes the best cure is just waiting a little while. Milo grinned, wagging his fluffy tail. Well, that was a funny way to learn something new. From that day on, every time he got the hiccups, Milo didn't panic, he just waited for the next funny cure to come along.